way you eat the suso, Sir Joey. You know how to eat the suso, Sir Joey. The butt of the chicken kiss you when you blow them. That's just did with Maria. Did you try that? The chicken? Why, if you didn't try that yet, oh my god, that's a new discovery for you guys. If you have chicken in your home, you blow. You blow at the back of the chicken. You know, where the poop comes in. You blow that. And when you blow that, you will see the ano. It's like that. Don't worry guys, I will show to you that when I do my live stream in Pinas. And I have chicken with me. Ew, Jenny, kiss chicken. Uy, not kiss. Uy, you're so OA, ha. Not kiss. This is the chicken, chicken butt. You just blow. You just blow, not kiss. You're so OA, Tomas.